In this video, we're going to check some of the opportunity in the figures that we've seen in the previous video on Euro USD on the daily chart. We always remember that the EMA 21 milestone have to be satisfied as well as the patient one. Here we can see a W pattern immediately. The market went below the structure, went for a retest, then it break above the EMA, consolidate over the structure, and then here we could have set a nice long order for a great profit. By moving on, we find a wedge formation. As we remember, the wedge is a figure created by two narrow trend lines in which the price is losing momentum and slowly converging in a reversal of the break of a trend line. Here the market couldn't make a new high, break below the EMA, and then went back for a nice short position. If we move on again in the market, we find immediately an M formation. The M formation is a kind of a double top. The market couldn't make new highs. It break below the EMA, retest perfectly the structure, and a great profit here for us, with a very nice bearish impulse. The market went in a consolidation range. It broke the channel and went up with a nice impulse where it creates another M formation. The price broke below the EMA, retest the structure, and here a nice short opportunity. This is the case where the market is creating a falling wedge over an important structure. The market is losing momentum in a consolidation phase. It creates also a W at the end over the weekly structure, broke above the EMA, and here another great bullish impulse for our profit. The market then retraced inside a descending channel with an inverted head and shoulder, broke back above the EMA, retest the structure, and another nice long position there for us. The market give another opportunity. As you can see, the market is full of opportunities, and here we are on just one pair, Euro USD. Imagine on all the pairs that the market provides. The market broke the channel and create a pennant. The pennant formation is like a minor retracement where the market is consolidating, is a continuation move. So the market continued to move up and create another wedge formation. The market couldn't make new highs, broke below the EMA. The first milestone is satisfied. We are patient enough to wait that the market retests the structure and a very nice bearish impulse below. The market creates a minor retracement inside the channel and another bearish leg. We could have increased our position for more short order. The market give another retracement, and there we have another M formation. Perfect. The market break below, retest, another short order. At the bottom, we can see a very nice inverted head and shoulder, a figure that we see in the previous video. The market cannot make new lows. The market starts to make highs, retest the structure, still above the EMA, and a nice impulse. So as you can see, the market is always full of opportunities. Let's move on. Here we have another inverted head and shoulder. The market cannot make any lows again. Break above the structure, retest it, break above the EMA, retest again the structure, and a nice impulse. Here again we can see a perfect W. So the market creates a double bottom, retest the structure over the EMA, and a very nice profit. Here we have an example of a perfect descending triangle. The market is losing momentum over a structure, it break and then went for the retest and back down. Another example of a W formation, the market couldn't make new lows, break, retest, great profit again, the market consolidate and then break up above again on the EMA. Here another opportunity of an inverted head and shoulder, the market break above, retest over the EMA, and as we can see, the market is always full of opportunities with only this strategy and with only these figures. If you mix together also channels plus figures, you can imagine on the daily chart. Then you can find opportunities on weekly chart and monthly for stronger impulse. Here we can see an M formation, perfect as well, with a very nice impulse back below. Another example of head and shoulder, the market here creates a particular head and shoulder with two shoulders on the right. Can happen that the market creates two minor shoulders before breaking below. As in this case, the market went for a perfect retest of the structure and then break below. Here we have an example of a symmetrical triangle. The market consolidate, break above the structure, retest the EMA, and then went for a nice impulse. After the impulse, the market creates an ascending triangle. The market consolidate below a structure here. It consolidates, and when the break happens, it retests and goes for a very nice profit.